So this is the 7th video lecture on General Studies one-liners. Let's get into it. Amartya Sen, the NRI Nobel laureate, got the honor for which work? Poverty and Famines. Where did India made her debut in Olympic football? London in 1948. Which plant is used for green manuring in India? Sun hemp. Which city is known as the Manchester of South India? Coimbatore. The government of India has decided to declare river as national river, Ganga. What does the preamble of our constitution contain? The spirit of the constitution. Which energy of the electron at absolute zero called? Fermi energy. What is an essential attribution of inflation? Increase in prices. Which city is known for silk wearing industry? Kanchipuram. Which Rajputa king defeated Muhammad Ghori for the first time? Prithviraj III. Where were first Olympic Games held? 1776 BC, Athens. What is the characteristic odor of garlic? A sulfur compound. The source of India's sovereignty lies in which thing? Preamble of the Constitution. What can be the maximum duration of totality for a solar eclipse? 7 minutes 40 seconds. Which region of India was ruled by Sultan Zainul Abidin? Kashmir. Which is the vitamin that is most readily manufactured in our bodies? Vitamin D. The celebrated novel The Godfather was authored by which author? Mario Puzo. What is the best means of saving during inflation? Money. What is the total surface area of Earth? 510 million square kilometer. Sirajul-Dawla was defeated by Lord Clive in which battle? Plassey. In human body, which are the leg bones? Humerus and femur. When vice president acts as president, he gets the emoluments of which post? President. Which of the following is good nuclear fuel? Plutonium-239. All the watches of a country are set to according to which time? STI, standard time of the country. Near the banks of which river excavations have brought to light that Indus Valley civilization percolated to far south? Krishna River. Which book is entitled as Bible of Commission? Das Capital. Who is popularly known as Nightingale of India? Sarojini Naidu. In metabolism, how enzymes act as catalyst? If it is 4 p.m. on Monday at 150 degree west, what will be the time at 150 degree east? 12 noon on Tuesday. The term Nishka, which meant an ornament in the Vedic period, was used in later times. What did it denote? A coin. Thank you much. Thank you.